Bunnies Craft.
Hello, welcome back to another Bunnies Craft. Today we will be taste testing. I have a selection of goodies in front of me that I am going to taste and test for you and then give them a rating. I mean, just for fun, right? Okay, so most of it is from the Vegan Town box that I got the other day. You will see that in my latest video that I've just uploaded, but I thought I'd just give a few of them a taste test for you. So the first one we've got is the Kendal mint cake. This one here, if you remember. It's made from Wilson's and it looks like it's a white chocolate. So I'm just gonna open this. Oh my god. It looks like sugar. It looks like snowflakes. That is incredibly weird. I don't know what it looks like on the camera. I don't even know if I'm showing it to you properly. But it looks like snow and glitter. That looks amazing. Okay. It just melts in your mouth. It's literally just a sugary, minty mess. That's amazing. It's crumbly, sugary, and definitely minty. Not quite a cake though, however. So for the mint cake, I really like that. I love mint. So out of 10, I think I'm gonna give that one an 8. That was really good. I like that. So the next one we have is this one, Fantastic Foods. It's the white chocolate with the crispy cornflakes and the little bit of strawberry pieces on as well. So let's open this like so. It's literally just a chocolate slab with the bits on it there. Smells like real white chocolate. I shouldn't have started with the mint one. I didn't think that through. Not bad. Okay. It does taste like white chocolate. Real white chocolate. Crunchy. Slightly sweet from the strawberries. And chewy. That's quite nice. I'm not a big fan of white chocolate, but that's fine. The strawberry and the cornflakes just make it good. I quite like that. I'm quite impressed. I didn't think I'd like that. That's really smooth and creamy and it tastes milky as well. Yeah, okay. Because I'm impressed, I'm gonna give that one a 7. Woo! Okay. So the next one we have is the Tory No Moose. So this is the one that I said kind of looks like Aero chocolate. I've already opened this because I did my review, but I haven't tried it yet. It's just literally these massive blocks and these bubbles as well. If I just, this one piece is massive. Not bad. It's not very mousse-like. It's more like of a ganache. Whereas an Aero bar, you see the bubbles. But this, it is more of a ganache type chocolate. Quite dark, but refreshing. It's not like a bitter at all. But I'd say more of a ganache. Because I'm a little disappointed that there's no bubbles. I'm gonna give this one a 6. But it's delicious. Really delicious. Next one we have the eye choc. We've had this brand before. I'm not reviewing this, I'm tasting them. Okay, I've had this brand before. I don't know if I've had the cookie one, but this is the rice chocolate. I got this again from my TheVeganKind box, but I really can't remember if I've had this one. It looks amazing though. Can't really smell a lot. Good, nice. I love the little cookie bits. The chocolate isn't as strong as the last one, obviously because it's a bit more milky. That's a good chocolate. You could eat the whole bar in one sitting. An easy chocolate to eat. Whereas the other one, more rich, more strong. This one, quite nice. I'm gonna go back with a 7 for that one, the eye choc cookie. The next one we have is this Candied Melon. I haven't got this from my subscription box, but this is actually from Lidl. I may have opened them already, but I wanted to show you them. So they are accidentally vegan. They're basically dark chocolate and they've got candied melon inside. So you can see the fruit inside, just candy, so it's just a little sugary. There's a fruit, a dark chocolate. Very sweet because of the melon, but not bad. It's healthy, right? So for this, I think they could have more flavour, if I'm honest with you. But they're still good for an evening. So I'm going to give this one a 5. I feel like I've got chocolate all around my face now. The next one we have is the Zutter, the chocolate here. Again from TheVeganKind. I did open this, but I haven't tried it. I've had this brand, however, before, and it's very smooth. It's got a very unique chocolate flavour to it. I'm not sure how to explain it, but this one has nuts. Praline. If you can see here, I thought it was solid chocolate, but it's not. Oh, very rich. Smooth. Got that delicate flavour that this brand has. Beautiful crunch of the nuts. It makes it a little bit sweet, but it's quite, you know, in your face praline flavour. But I've had something similar to it before. I can't remember what it was, but again, quite rich. Because it's quite rich, and I'm not a fan of sickly chocolate, I think I will have to give it a 4, I'm afraid. It's very delicate, don't get me wrong, and creamy, and I love the crunch of the nuts, but too rich for me. Too rich for me, I'm afraid. I just realised that all of this is chocolate so far. But hey, we don't have chocolate here. This is from Simply Candy, Love Classics, mulled wine flavoured candy sweets. I got this from a different subscription box. This is from TheVeganKind, if you've heard of it. I haven't had these yet, so I'm just freshly opening them. This is also another great vegan company other than TheVeganKind. This offers some savoury products, some cosmetic products as well, along with cookbooks, recipes, candles, ethical toothbrushes, toothpaste. So it's a bit of a mixed box rather than TheVeganKind, which is just chocolate and sweets. Smells like cinnamon. So Oh wow. That tastes exactly like drinking a mulled wine. They are divine. I'll eat this all night. Oh man. I'm going straight in there with a 9. That's so yummy. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. They're gorgeous. I highly recommend these. So it's just Christmassy. Cinnamon, nutmeg, all them lovely warm spices in one little sweet. And they're non-alcoholic, so anyone can have them. Next one in my line is a mint one again, so let's save it. So this, I was desperate to try when I did my review, if you remember. The Rocky Road Mummy Megs. Is that right? Help me. This is the original Rocky Road flavour. Vegan, gluten-free, all that jazz. Let's try it. It already looks divine. Look how amazing this looks. Vegan marshmallows, you got the shortbread in there, the chocolate. That looks like a good piece of work. That's lovely. So from when I think back to when I wasn't a vegan, that's exactly how they used to taste. Spot on, Mummy Megs, you got it. They're really yummy. Because as you know, marshmallows aren't even vegetarian, so great alternative. Crumbly shortbread, smooth chocolate, chewy marshmallows, you cannot go better than that. So I'm not even going to rub this off from last time. Got a 9 again. Hey. Next one, we have this. Cookie shirts. I got this from TheVeganKind again, in their little box that I got the other day. They are orange brownie biscuits from the food of Ethenry. Why do you have confusing words? They're just little chocolate biscuits, I'm guessing. They feel little. Yeah, let's just open them. So they're in a resealable bag. Why? Smell. You can smell the orange. Apart from that, a bit musky. Let's try them. They look like little brownie bites. They feel kind of soft. No, they're not soft. Okay. Okay. So reading the packet further, it says they're gluten free, which explains why they're crumbly, a little bit dry, a little bit disappointing. Might be good if you dunk them in your tea though. Orange flavour, chocolate flavour, fine. I like them, but they are dry, quite dry. That's the only downside to these biscuits. Other than that, they're gorgeous. They really are. I love the orange flavour. Again, Christmassy. So yeah, for this, a 6. I'm sorry. Just for that one reason that they're dry. Don't hate me. So next thing, I'm just gonna end off on this little tiny mint chocolate. Kind of looks like an after 8, and as you all know, you've got to have an after 8 after your Christmas dinner. So it's a good one to end on, because you know, it's a tradition. It's a British tradition. Yeah. A bit more sticky than after it. Very sticky. Bit minty. They'll do the job. Not bad. 6 again. So that was the Wowell chocolate mint. Not bad. It's more like one of them little fondant sweets you get, like the icing ones. It's not as smooth like a cream, but yeah. Overall, my glittery mint cake was divine. Not bad. The one that surprised me most, this one, white chocolate. But yeah, if you're a vegan missing white chocolate, go for this. This is really good. I think that's coming from me. But anyway, one last thing. Happy Christmas everyone. I hope you liked watching my video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.